didn't manage to get any phones. Let me explain to you guys what happened. So, I originally thought that I would be able to use Sony Vegas Pro, the trial version, to edit and get my stuff done and upload it. I was editing, and it smacked this massive watermark on my video. So I was like, I don't want a watermark on my video. That's not gonna work. So I was like, okay, I don't have any other options. Let me try Windows Live Movie Maker. Start editing twice. It did this twice. Editing, get about halfway done. Boom. It just corrupts all my files, and I didn't even move my files. I didn't do anything. It just starts corrupting all of them. Bam, bam, bam. So that got me really frustrated, and I had to try find a new way. I eventually contacted a really, really good friend who said I could use this Adobe Creative Cloud account, and I got, I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro to edit, right? And now obviously I had to get used to it, and like it took me like 4 hours to edit my first video, which is a while, and getting used to jet lag, whatever. I'm just glad that I'm able to edit and upload. It was a big bummer. I felt super upset when Vegas didn't work and Windows Movie Maker didn't work. But I'm getting into things, and I'm enjoying it. So that's kind of what happened. That's why I skipped. I think I skipped 2 days or a day, or I don't know. But I'm back. I'm still filming. I filmed every day, so you'll see like two vlogs a day for a few days as I catch up.
I'm not my children.
That maybe that.
Alright guys, because this computer's Wi-Fi is so messed up, I have to take it into the Bus Montos. Whew, this place is cold. You gotta take it into the basement in order to upload. And I'm finally uploading. I'm finally able to, let me switch this light on. You want to go on my shoulders?
Yeah.
Don't you want to walk?
No.
No?
Can I? Let's tell us our business.
Huh?
Let's tell us business.
Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Zayla.
How old are you? What's your favorite thing to do?
Play with my cousins Mark and Matthew and Michael and see, I changed it by accident.
You put your pee all over my face, dude. Oh man. He changed shoulders. And his pee went. Man, that's disgusting. We're going to the park right now with Zuelo, the little man, and the pea man, the pea monster. We're going to the park, have some fun. I mean, I do wash cars a lot, but I think this one might need a little bit more than a wash. I mean, it takes... This thing is ridiculous. Holy moly, how long has it been sitting here? Oh, flat tire as well? That doesn't look too healthy. Let's go, Zola. Yo, dude. Got him.
Okay, so it's in this hand. Okay? You saw it go in his hand. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. So I'm gonna put that over here for now. Okay? There's no way the wood can get out of there. Okay? Now you gotta pay careful attention on that one to make sure that it's not coming out, okay? Now I'm gonna make it appear somewhere on my body. Okay? What?
What's your magician name?
Stupid.
Yeah.
No, what is your name?
No, what's
for
your
magician? Like
Mr. Magician.
Mr. Magician?
Yeah.
Mine is.
No. What?
Oh my gosh.
What happened there?
What did you do?
I don't know. It's just my food. I know.
Zuela, can you make it rain?
Whoa!
Oh my goodness!
Did you touch anything?
How would I throw anything? You got stuff all over you. Oh my goodness, but you're not even wet.
How did you do that?
No, Zuela, you. Okay? You make it rain then. Go.
What? How?
What's that?
Huh? It rained. I think you're all out of rain.
I'm gonna do it again.
Oh my word! You're not looking at your knuckle, that's why. Oh my goodness.
Duppy, 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 dup.